R2D2 pontoons running around. Otherwise, it's pretty empty. I'm going to wind up these wires today. Oh, I almost hit the no wake buoy. But I like things a little bit more tidy. Well, let's get us pointed in a good direction. Boy, they said the wind's going to turn south. Becoming south a little later. Looks like it's becoming south